Want a fast car? That's exciting, but won't scare you on your first day? Stay until number 1 because it's the perfect beginner performance car. At number 5, the Toyota GR Supra. With sharp handling and turbocharged power, it feels like a supercar without being overwhelming. Could this be your first performance car? Number 4 is the Audi RS3. Nearly 400 horsepower and all-wheel drive make it fast, planted, and confidence-inspiring. Would you trust this as your daily driver? At number 3, this performance coupe delivers the perfect mix of speed and control, sharp handling, balanced power, and confidence in every corner. Could this be your ideal first sports car? But wait until you see number 2. Number 2 is the legendary Nissan GT-R. It looks intimidating, but advanced technology helps drivers feel confident behind the wheel. Is this your dream car? And number 1. The Porsche Cayman. Perfect balance, incredible handling, and one of the easiest performance cars to drive fast. Which car are you choosing? Comment your number and follow Motivol.